This demonstration will show a continuous motion servo, a fixed position servo, and a Raspberry Pi accomplishing spinning a motor. We launch the program. The user is presented with a GUI. The first action from the user should be clicking Connect and Sync. This will let the user know what the currently assigned pulse width modulation value to each motor, or servo as it were, is assigned. In this case, you can see that no resistance is given by a value of 0 to any of the servos. For our purposes, Thing 4 and Thing 27 are in play. Thing 4 on the left, Thing 27 on the right. Right now, there is no resistance. Thus, we can spin freely. And the servos do not react. If we go neutral, you can see the continuous motion servo will attempt to go neutral, but due to the mechanics and the analog rheostat, it takes tuning to make neutral not move. Whereas the fixed position moves to a known fixed position. For our purposes, 1000 to 2000 PWM is the range. With the hardware in question, 1460 was found to be the position of choice for centered. Now, let us take Thing 4, which is currently spinning clockwise, and let us make it go counterclockwise. Now we engage the slider. Now it goes counterclockwise. Taking Thing 4, going to 1000 PWM, engaging, stopping all movement. Movement has stopped. No resistance. Taking all servos at once, or motors, and going clockwise. In a synchronous fashion, Thing 4 kicks on. It would loop to Thing 17, then 27, then 22. In reverse, going counterclockwise, in the same integer order. And accordingly, stopping all energy. No resistance is left. Turning the wheel. Turning the servo. Going back to neutral. At this point in time, you can see that the continuous motion servo is not moving, but in time, depending upon the analog rheostat, it will move. You can hear the motor for the servo on the right with expected resistance. And now you start to see the continuous motion servo act of its own accord. Accordingly, we are neutral on all 17, 27, and 22 motors, with Thing 4 being a known continuous motion. We simply set it to 0. We engage. It stops. Demo accomplished.